child is born with a boundless curiosity to learn, understand, and know the truth by birth. By watching natures in the day and sky at the night, he can spend hours in search of his existence and truth. Human beings can spend their whole life. Their passions, determinations, and curiosity have led to numerous inventions and discoveries. One of the profound and glorious inventions is the telescopes. The inventions of telescopes played an important role in advancing our understandings of the stars, solar systems, and whole universe. While there is evidence that the principles of telescopes were known in the late 16th century, the first telescopes were created in the Netherlands in 1608. Spectacles makers Hans Lippershey and Zacharias Janssen and Jacob Mathias independently created telescope, but with the improved design that was created by Galileo just 2 years later, and he was the man who coined the word telescope. Even though these telescopes had many limitations, it was enough for Galileo to start looking at the star and discovery of phases of Venus, polaris, moons of Jupiter, and find proof that will support the astronomical models of heliocentrism. The story of Galileo telescope's observations illustrates how a tool for seeing and collecting evidence can dramatically change our understanding of the cosmos. The inventions of the telescopes has changed the whole of the astronomy and perceptions of the whole universe. As time goes on, several scientists have been involved, including Newton. By today, remarkable improvements and reformations have been made in the field of telescope. Recently, on 25th December 2021, the most powerful telescope, which is also called the Time Machine, has blasted off in the orbit. It will travel 1.5 kilometers from the Earth. The name of this famous telescope is James Webb Space Telescope. After nearly 3 decades and spending billions of dollars, it left the Earth enclosed in the Ariane 5 rockets from Kourocks Space Center in French Guiana. The telescope was named after the former NASA director. Webb follows in the footsteps of the legendary Hubble. The telescope is programmed to bring back possibles that will help scientists understand more about the origin of the universe and Earth-like planets beyond our solar systems. It is expected that these telescopes will show humans what the universe looked like even closer to its birth nearly 14 billion years ago. The telescopes consist of the mirror of 6.5 meter diameter, 3 times the size of the Hubble's mirrors, and is made of hexagonal sections. The crew on the ground has already known that the first stage of the flight was successful about 27 minutes after the launch. Its orbit will be much further from the Hubble's, which has been in 600 kilometers above the Earth since 1990. The names of the orbits is called the Lagrange points. This orbit was chosen because it will keep the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon all on the same sides of the Sun series.